Just a short flight from Greenland is a fabulous place, Iceland. With our friends David and Alice, we've decided to spend at least 5 days looking at waterfalls on the island. We've just heard from the pilot that we're landing in Iceland with gale force winds coming in from the east. As soon as we hop off the plane, the winds take us for a little bit of another ride. And this is where we end up, Waterfalls. This is an amazing waterfall, nearly as spectacular as Victoria Falls. To another. From Waterfalls we head up the east coast, and look what we have here. The wind is whipping up sandstorms all over the place. Shame about those bumps.
It felt as with dust, and over here we have this huge ice sheet.
It's quite incredible. The wind is so strong here, it's just about ripping the paint off the side of the car. It's amazing what a little bit of sand and wind will do. We've eventually gotten through that section of sandstorm. Hopefully we don't see too many more. But after that, another waterfall. We've arrived at Waterfalls waterfall. David is already off down to the falls, and it's blowing a gale. One of the great things about these falls is that you can walk around the back of them. And it's not too long before David and I are heading up to the back of the falls from completely different directions. Anne is right behind me, and it's getting extremely wet here. This is not a large waterfall, but the wind is spraying the water everywhere. That was a great experience, even though we are a little bit on the damp side. You can get a much better idea on the size of these falls. Somewhere between 70 and 100 meters tall. It is pretty amazing. Look at this, we're back into the paint stripping business again. The wind is just picking up that sand and hammering it against the side of the cars. It's quite amazing. The wind has stopped again and we're in a lovely little town called Vic on the southeast coast. In Vic, there's a cliff line, and on that cliff there's some beautiful birds nesting, and one of them is a puffer. This area seems to be a fairly important breeding area for puffers and other seabirds. We don't seem to be able to get away from the wind. It's just fairly constant here on the southeast coast at the moment. Just northeast of here, we have a glacier that comes down nearly to the sea, and this is quite a romantic place for the seals to come. The waterfall Skogafoss is one of the more prominent waterfalls on the southeast coast. Anne and I have decided to walk up the stairs next to the falls, and there's probably about 300 steps here. After coming back down from the top of the hill, we decided to go in and see if we can get underneath the falls. They reckon there is a gold chest hidden down under the falls.